Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can, how to connect a LinkedIn customer care, or how you can raise your complaints on LinkedIn, or how you can, contact your LinkedIn customer support. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe me. It is free. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay, I am here on my LinkedIn profile. Just log in your LinkedIn, and now you have to click on your this down arrow, which is just near your profile picture, and go to the help. In help, you will find the option like open help in new tab. In new tab, you have to choose some topics that you need to help. So just select any topic from here. So I just choose basic. When you choose any topic from this here, you can see you will see the basic help. So just find out your help you need, if you're looking for. If you don't find from here, you just want to contact LinkedIn, go to the scroll down and click on contact us. In contact us, now you have to click on get help from us. Okay, so here there is a how can I help you. They LinkedIn asks you the so premium subscription. You have to select your any related queries like messaging, connection, fraud, safety, your profile, anything. So I just click on others. In others, you have to write topics like option, features, linking features. Spelling mistake, just ignore it. Okay, or you can create support tickets from here. And now that is how. Okay, what is your need for help? You have to write here. This is your email ID. This is your alternate email ID. You have to, if you want to give your email ID, you have to can give. Select the issue, whatever. Okay, so device, and describe your issue or question. Just attachment any screenshot if you have, and just submit it. Okay, so that is how you can connect LinkedIn support. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.